This is the most underrated mod in the 5th gen 4Runner, and it doesn't break the bank. Well, let me show you. This is the Obisan3D hatch lights for the 5th generation 4Runner. Obisan3D is a Las Vegas-based small business specialized in 3D printing of accessories. From 5th gen 4Runner hatch lights to Land Cruiser 250 hatch lights, roof rack cable management keepers, switch panel mounts, chase light brackets, to some Vegas Toyota off-road merch. And this is their 5th generation 4Runner hatch lights. So I have this for over a year now, and I am so satisfied with this product. Install of this thing is pretty easy. Let me show you. Alright, first you need to get yourself a pry tool. Pry it on this side, right side. Of course, let's turn that off first. And disconnect. So with the OEM housing, we just need to take this piece off. I would recommend getting a flat precision. There's a small tab right there that we just need to pry a little bit from this side. We just need to get it. I don't know if you can actually see it from this side. See that? Need to get it there. And there it is. So we're gonna take that out. Just be careful not to bend it too much. Then take your Obisan hatch lights. We need to put it on that side as well. So there's a small tab right there. So that's where we wanna connect that tab. So you wanna put it in and press down, not too much. And just like that. Alright, then we just need to reconnect it. Side, click. So this is gonna be a little tight because this is 3D printed. It's not plastic. Well, a little bit, but it's more sturdy. There you go. Middle is off. Lower. 2 lines. 1 line is on. Let's put it in lower. And there are so many colors to choose from. You can mix and match those colors. Depends on what you prefer. I did one side amber, one side white. All right, so you're probably questioning, why do you want to upgrade to this? If you can just change the halogen light to an LED light on your housing. And it's because of this thing. This is a lens diffuser. As you can see, there's the halogen bulb, and we actually cover it with the lens diffuser. This is where I'll tell you the meaning of the diffuser. It's a translucent or semi-transparent cover that spreads out or scatter light. Using a diffuser, we'll control the brightness and give off a soft light. Spread, good. Giving a soft light, not really. Especially for hatch lights, you want the light to be brighter so you can see everything that you need to see in the back of the 4Runner. So I have the diffuser off from the housing. And I would take my iPhone flashlight and show you what it looks like with a diffuser. On, off. On, off. And Obisan3D's hatch lights doesn't cover it at all. It has a translucent lens, but it's not like a diffuser like this. So this is the halogen bulb that I had on the hatch light. This is the LED bulb that I got. It has 4 LEDs. This is 31 millimeters, I believe. Obisan has 9. 4, 9. 4, 9. And remember, this 4 LEDs is going to be covered by the diffuser. Let's do a side by side, shall we? Well, okay. Which do you think is the brightest of them all? Tell me in the comments below what you prefer if you're upgrading your hatch lights. Keep it stock, LED, or Obisan3D. For me, well, I think you know my answer. If this has given you any value, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Paalam.